In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters to images in OpenArt. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a photo you already have and give it a fresh, stylized look using OpenArt's AI filters, all in just a few clicks. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation panel. If your window is small, you might see icons instead of full labels. Hover or expand the panel so you can clearly find what you need. From there, choose Image to move into the Image Tools area. Inside the Image section, select AI Filters. This is where OpenArt applies Learn visual styles to your photo, transforming the look while preserving the core content. It's perfect for quick makeovers, mood changes, or trying out artistic interpretations without manual editing. Next, upload your photo. You can click to browse your computer or simply drag and drop a file into the upload area. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. For best results, start with a reasonably high-resolution image and ensure you have the rights to use the photo you're uploading. Once your image is in place, open up the Style options by clicking See More Styles. This expands the gallery so you can explore a wider range of looks. Take a moment to scan the collection and consider what best matches your goal, whether you want something subtle and cinematic, bold and colorful, or distinctly artistic. Choose the styles you like. You can try one at a time or experiment with several across different runs. If you're unsure, select a style that aligns with the subject of your photo. For example, softer styles often flatter portraits, while punchier styles can enhance cityscapes or products. Now adjust the creativity level. The lowest setting keeps the result very close to your original, making gentle, faithful changes. As you increase the slider, the AI introduces more interpretive flair, great for stylized, eye-catching outputs. If you're new to this, start near the middle and adjust based on what you see. Set how many images you want to generate. More images give you variety to choose from, though they can take a bit longer to process. Picking a small set first is a good way to quickly test a style before committing to a larger batch. When everything looks good, click Create. OpenArt will process your request and render the outputs. Give it a moment to finish. Finally, review the results. Compare how each style and creativity level changed your image, and note what you like. That's all it takes to add AI-powered filters to your images in OpenArt.